Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing a little mini unboxing. So this is a mini unboxing, nothing too big, just thought I would make a video out of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So the first box that we have is from Sam Marcel. The packaging is super cute. Oh my gosh, so adorable. Velvet. Velvet, so beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. So now first we have here is a luxurious highlighting palette. This is what it looks like outside of the packaging. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up here. So pretty. Look at that. Gorgeous. This is with the flash on. Look how pretty these colors are. I'm so excited and I cannot wait to try these. So beautiful. Okay, so moving on to these beauties. The first one I have up is let's see. Angelique. The packaging is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. So I'm going to go ahead and just open it. And this is what it looks like. Whoa, that color is so gorgeous. Definitely for a night, evening, for sure. Or an everyday. Just depends, but a very gorgeous color. This color we have up here is ombre. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it. Wow, this color is really pretty. Like, I would wear this color probably like an everyday color. It's a very nice, gorgeous nude. Very nice. Now we have a liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Bijou. Bijou? Probably so butchered that. This is a luscious liquid lipstick. This is a really pretty color. I love lipsticks. Love liquid lipsticks too. Just very pretty. Very nice. Gorgeous. Alright, now I'm going to move on to the next one. The worst at opening packages. So this is a package from Zola Beauty. So pretty. The brand Zola Beauty that you can find inside of Ulta. So I'm going to go ahead and just get at it. From Zola Beauty, I got this Sweet Inspiration fragrance. I cannot wait to try this. I'm going to just... it smells very like French vanilla. French vanilla. Then I got this fragrance bath fizzer. Looks nice. And then I got this body cream. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next package. Thank you so much, Zoella Beauty. Alright, so the next package we have is from Pixie. Pixie and ColourPop. This box that we had is Pop Beauty. So here we have a Velt powder base. So it's a mattifying powder. So I'm just going to go ahead and check it out. And this is in the shade 5 Toffee. It looks like outside of the box. Very pretty. Such a gorgeous color. I can't wait to use it. Nice and pretty. Just give it a little like nice bronze. Okay, so the next thing we have here is the No Show Complexion Perfection. That's like a perfect name. This is an oil-free foundation. This is in the shade 5 Toffee. So it might be a little bit dark, but we'll see. I like to mix my foundations anyways, so. This is the foundation outside of the box. I'm very excited to try this. And it looks like it is gonna be my shade. So this is the shade Toffee. We have is a Fluid Pop Liner. So this is the shade Backstage Bronze. It's like a liquid eyeliner. This color is really pretty. I do wear a lot of blacks, but I would definitely try this out. Browns are really nice as well. Very pretty. On to the Face Magnet Primer. This is a primer that you use before the foundation. So obviously I'm going to use this before the foundation. I'm going to go ahead and open it. It's the face primer. It's a really cute package. I like it a lot. And then I'm just going to go ahead and use this with the foundation. So I cannot wait to try these. But these are the highlighters and so stoked to use these. So excited. Thank you so much, Pop Beauty. Okay, so the final package I got was from Pixie Beauty. That looks so excited to use this. And then we have another one, a palette. Very pretty, very pretty. And then a strobe. I'm excited to use that. Overnight Glow Serum. I'm all about the skincare, and this stuff is amazing. I've always heard, and I cannot wait to try it. Glow Tonic. Yes, literally. I've always heard stuff about this, but I'm really excited to try it for myself. And I cannot wait for this. So super excited. Thank you so much for all these goodies. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys liked my little mini haul here, just of all like the goodies that I got. And I can do more videos like this. Just let me know what you guys want. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.